Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to delete any movie or TV show from my list in Netflix and how to edit your Netflix favorites list. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Netflix, open your account, and after that go and click on My Netflix. And as you can see here, there is an option called My List. It's your favorite movies or TV show that you have chosen them. Click on See All. And for example, I want to delete my Queen Cleopatra from that list. I click on it. And as you can see, there is an option here called My List. I have just to click on it. And after that, as you can see, this TV show or movie disappeared from my favorite list on Netflix and it's totally deleted from my list. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.